Welcome to the daily meditation. We hope you enjoy this guided meditation for pain relief. This method has been scientifically proven to help reduce aches and pains. To begin, just make sure that you are sitting or lying down comfortably with good posture. Go ahead and close your eyes. We shall begin with some simple mindful breathing. We breathe in through the nose to a count of 4. And then pause for a count of 4. Breathe out through the mouth to a count of 4. Again, pause for a count of 4, and then repeat. While we are doing this simple breathing method, we are observing the breath moving around the body. And I like to take a moment to remind myself that for the next 10 minutes or so, the only thing that we will be doing is sitting, breathing, meditating, and relaxing, and that is all that matters. Continuing to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth in cycles of 4. And again, this is just the beginning of this session. A little warm-up for the mind, if you will, before we get into our proper practice. Continuing to observe the breath, and if the mind wanders, just ever so gently guiding the mind back to the breath. And now let us proceed. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Simply observe any sensations occurring around the crown of your head. You are simply observing the sensations there. If you happen to notice any pain here, simply say to yourself, this is just a temporary feeling. It is not harmful. It is just a sensation. Breathe into the crown of your head and allow that space to relax and let go. And now let us move down to the forehead, the eyes, the nose and the ears, the upper part of the face and the head. Simply observing the sensations there. And if we happen to experience any pain, reminding ourselves, this is just a temporary sensation. It is not harmful. It is just a sensation. We breathe into that space and allow that space to relax and to let go. And now we move down to the lower half of the face, the mouth and the jaw. Simply observing the sensations there. If we notice pain, reminding ourselves that that pain is just a temporary sensation. We breathe into that space and allow it to relax and to let go. And now let us move down to the neck, observing the sensations there, reminding ourselves that any pain or discomfort is just temporary. It is not threatening, it is just a temporary sensation. We breathe into that space and allow it to let go and to relax. And now to the shoulders and the upper arms, observing the sensations there, reminding ourselves that any pain is temporary. Breathing into that space, allowing it to let go and to relax. Now we move down to the elbows and the lower arms, observing the sensations, remembering that any pain is temporary. Breathing into that space, letting go and relaxing. And now we come to the hands and to the fingers, observing, remembering that all pain is temporary, breathing in, letting go, relaxing. And now to the upper back, observing, remembering that any discomfort is temporary. Breathing into that space, letting go and relaxing. And to the lower back, observing, remembering that any pain is temporary, breathing in, letting go and relaxing. And to the chest, observing, remembering that pain is temporary, breathing into that space, letting go, relaxing. Into the stomach, the abdomen, observing, remembering that pain is temporary, breathing in, letting go and relaxing. Into the pelvic region, the genitalia, observing, remembering that any pain is temporary, breathing in, letting go, relaxing. Now to the upper legs, observing, remembering that pain is temporary, breathing into the space, letting go, relaxing. To the knees and the lower legs, observing, remembering that pain is temporary, breathing in, letting go, relaxing. And now to the feet. Breathing in, observing, remembering that pain is temporary, letting go and relaxing. Now, if you have one specific area of your body that is in discomfort, become aware of that part of your body. Simply observe the sensations there. When pain arises, remember and say in your mind, this is just a temporary sensation. It is not threatening. And continue to breathe into that space, to encourage that space to let go and to relax. The more you do this, the less reactive your mind will be to the pain. And as your mind becomes less reactive, the symptoms of your pain will lessen. This is scientifically proven. Soon, this guided meditation will come to an end. However, continue to sit if you wish, to observe your body and the sensations, to remember that pain is temporary, and to breathe into your body, encouraging your body to let go and to relax. I thank you for joining me for this guided meditation for pain relief. For best results and to truly overcome your pain, why not book a private meditation session with me, Paul Harrison, on thedailymeditation.com. I thank you for listening.